Transform your LinkedIn presence from ordinary to extraordinary with a captivating banner. In the next 90 seconds, Nano Banana will guide you through crafting a professional LinkedIn banner that will make your profile impossible to ignore. First, head over to Nano Banana and locate the LinkedIn Banner Creation tool. This is where the magic begins. Nano Banana offers a range of professionally designed templates. Choose one that best reflects your industry, your personal brand, or the message you want to convey. Now, let's customize. Click on the text areas and type in your professional title, key skills, or a compelling tagline that summarizes your expertise. Think of this as your professional billboard. Make it concise and impactful. Next, let's add a personal touch. Upload a high-quality professional headshot or a relevant image that represents your work. Nano Banana ensures it fits perfectly. You can also adjust colors and fonts to align with your personal brand. Palette consistency is key for a strong professional image. Nano Banana's iPod creativity helps suggest enhancements, ensuring your banner is not only visually appealing, but also strategically designed to attract attention. Consider adding your company logo or relevant icons to further strengthen your brand identity. Experiment with different layouts and elements until you achieve that polished, professional look. Once you're happy, simply download your creation. It's optimized for LinkedIn's banner dimensions, so it will look fantastic. Now, log into your LinkedIn profile, navigate to edit your profile, and upload your newly designed banner. Watch your professional brand instantly elevate. With Nano Banana, creating a professional LinkedIn banner is simple, effective, and powerful. Start building a more impactful visual brand today.